Hello. I'm Robert and welcome to the topic, Raw Board Inspection in the Sanding Line, Insights into Life with a Baumer Inspection System in your production line. Today, a Raw Board 4.0 system will serve as an example for the cooperation with a Baumer inspection system. Such a system is used in chipboard and fiberboard production after the raw boards have been sanded. Other typical applications for Baumer systems are lines for decorating panels and web goods, from coated, lacquered or sheathed panels to profiled floorboards as well as edged and drilled furniture parts. Before we take a closer look at the raw board inspection, we would like to take a look at the cockpit of the Baumer system. The operator terminal provides an overview of the current production. The inspection results with the panel qualities, defects as well as the production statistics are displayed scalable over different time periods, from the single view of a panel up to a period of several minutes or hours. Click to select the view and time period for displayed results and statistics. The panel evaluation distinguishes between the grading levels: green, equal to first choice; yellow, equal to warning or second choice; red, equal to rejects; and gray, equal to not evaluated. The statistics display provides information about the quality distribution within a defined period. The defect log shows the detected defects in the defined period. On click, details such as type, rating and size of the defects are displayed in addition to the images. Every producer wishes for such a good production. Unfortunately, this is not the case every day. The inspection system alerts non-tolerable defects. In this example, a dent was detected. On click, the position of the defect and the defective panel area are displayed in the zoom. The following example shows the effect of an unclean grinding process. If the surface is not ground correctly, the system reports grinding errors. If this error accumulates, the sanding unit must be corrected to avoid this systematic error. In terms of defects, the inspection system distinguishes between sporadic and recurring, systematic defects. Systematic defects include, for example, chatter marks, rough spots, unsanded and sanded through panel areas. These can often be prevented by adjusting the sanding unit. Unfortunately, I have to live with sporadic defects such as too large fibers, dirt or damage. They cannot be prevented, but the intolerable bad panels are sorted out in any case. Sporadic and occasional large fibers are accepted by the system and do not lead to the panel being degraded. Faults, on the other hand, always lead to alarms. Particles on luminaires or mirrors in the inspection system, for example, create a continuous line in the image, which leads to a degradation of the panels. In this case, it is advisable to interrupt production to eliminate the malfunction. By using templates, Baumer creates order and ensures a comprehensible, documented assessment of the panels. The various defects are automatically assigned to defect groups by the inspection system. The tolerances for each defect group are set using quality matrices. The x-axis describes the size and the y-axis the intensity of a deviation. So far we have dealt with the tools and information of a trouble-free production operation. But what happens when something gets out of hand? As is so often the case in life, communication is necessary for the timely detection of malfunctions. An essential component for smooth automatic operation is the communication between line control and inspection system. To ensure that both sides are talking about the same panels, each one has a unique identification number. When changing products, all templates are transferred for the inspection of the next item. During the panel registration, the line control informs the inspection system of the unique identification number of the panel that is about to pass through the inspection line. After the inspection, the line control requests the result for the previously registered panel. Now let's take a look at the communication points in the production line. Firstly, Product changes take place between panel removal and infeed into the sanding system. Second, before entering the Baumer facility, the panel registration takes place. Thirdly, after the panels have left the Baumer plant, the inspection result is requested by the line control. At the end of the line, the panels are then stacked according to their quality assessment. Such good production as runs in the background is desirable and can be achieved if the production team works closely together with the inspection system, and as many malfunctions as possible are alerted and rectified in good time. At this point I say goodbye to you. Thank you for your attention and hope to have aroused and sharpened your interest and understanding for a Baumer system in the field of quality assurance. Bye and have a good time, your Robert.